Good morning, guys. Praful here. Welcome back, and thanks for joining in. Today is the 2nd of February, the Wednesday after the not so happening budget day. So, budget day pe market kaisa tha? The market was completely sideways with a minor amount of positive bias. Yes, we saw a huge dip. I mean, Nifty में 17,600 से लेके almost 17,250 तक मतलब एक dip था. So that was a great dip, but at the same time, just because the premiums were super huge, so it didn't make much of a difference to the option sellers. In fact, a lot of option sellers made decent money yesterday. And I played a bit of straddles yesterday. Bank Nifty के straddles मैंने play किया, and I took a very small position. एक कुछ 20-25,000 कुछ तो मतलब बनाया, and just I closed the position because मेरे को बनाना भी मतलब कल में मुझे trade करना भी नहीं था, and just because I might get FOMO, तो just to satisfy my FOMO, तो मैंने एक छोटा quantity डाला. I was ready to take like some 5-6,000 ka loss. That's the extent of it. But I knew that there would be an IV crush, but I didn't want to jump in hard. So that's about it. So currently my position looks something like this. The market, I mean, I have kept a slightly negative delta. तो थोड़ा नेगेटिव बायस रख के मतलब मैं ट्रेड कर रहा हूँ. We have already captured like 6.5 points of decay. So if you look at it, the puts are trading at 13 rupees and 18 rupees respectively, and the calls are trading at 26 and 18. So this put will be compensating this call, but this put will never be able to compensate for these 17,950 call. But the idea is that like as we start to hold the higher levels strongly, the idea is that the IVs will continue to go down. So I'll be looking at shifting this 17,950 call back to 18,000 call once this reaches somewhere around 28. 28 के बाद probably this might accelerate. So that is why 28 के आसपास इसको मैं निकाल के फिर से मैं इसको 18,000 के ऊपर मतलब मैं शिफ्ट करने का ट्राई कर रहा हूँ. So we have already captured like 7.5 points now. So constant IV crush. So though I have another 26 lakhs, easily मैं और 1,000 quantity ले सकता हूँ मैं, but I'll be keeping that for the additional, मतलब जब मुझे quantity ramp up करना है तब मैं ramp up करूँगा. And आज since it's a Wednesday and I wouldn't be taking my usual approach कि 20,000 होते ही 10 points correct करते ही मैं बंद करूँगा, and after that I'll increase the quantity and I'll come back at a later stage. वो सब नहीं रहने वाला है मेरे हिसाब से. So I'll try to have a steady position throughout the day because I know for a fact that the premiums are very lucrative premiums, and the market is also in a very tight range. So because look at this, the low made was 16,670 and the high is around 16,730. तो काफी छोटा रेंज पे मतलब मार्केट ट्रेड कर रहा है. तो वंस द मार्केट ब्रेक्स दिस रेंज, इधर मुझे ये हाई के ऊपर 735 के ऊपर एक क्लोज चाहिए कैंडल, और आई नीड अ क्लोज बिलो दिस कैंडल. तो इन दोनों के मैं लाइन खींच देता हूँ सो दैट इट विल बी इस रेंज के बाहर जब मार्केट जाता है ओनली देन आई विल बी एडजस्टिंग इट, and also I'll be getting a good amount of IV crush. Because of that, the 17,950 call is not at all improving. So even though the market looks bullish, this 17,950 call with a even a small downtick, this 17,950 call is losing a lot of its value. So that is why I don't have any issues holding on to the 17,950 call. Probably by looking at the premium behavior, I'll be comfortable to hold the 17,950 call even up till 30. 28 जो बता रहा था. Now I feel that like I'm pretty confident to hold it up till 30. And नीचे idea ये रहेगा, तो until unless the day's low is taken out, तो मैं कुछ नहीं करने वाला. तो day's low taken out होने के बाद I'll be looking at something. Already we have captured like 9.5 points of DK on a sizing of 2,000 quantity. 10 points पकड़ लो, 10 points DK capture कर लिए हैं. तो yeah, now I'll go and have my breakfast. आज मतलब थोड़ा लेट उठ गया. Yeah. I had to directly jump into my trading terminal. I need to change this habit. I mean, I've been sleeping a little late and not a good idea, not a good sign. I think there's some issue with the camera settings of OBS, so the face cam is not visible. Coming to the positions, one adjustment I made, I booked the 17,400 put and shifted it to 17,500 because यहाँ पे थोड़ा breakout type दिख रहा. And I think that was a right decision because though the put options were collapsing, but I had to do some damage control to the 17,950 calls because at that point the 17,950 calls were trading at 22, 23. तो मुझे कुछ करना चाहिए ही था. And now I'll be letting the 17,950 calls to go up till around 23. So that would be the end of my trading day. अगर ये swing spot पे तो मतलब swing breach हो रहा है, but if at all the 17950 call breaches around 22 or 23, that will be the end of my trading day because we have already captured like a decent 18 points. So this is ज़्यादा I don't expect on Wednesdays, and that too I've got it like within like half an hour. So I to toil the entire day to capture another 8-9 points. हाँ हो सकता है कि this 17500 put and the 17950 call, this will again this will again close less than 25 rupees. Ideally, it should close less than 25 rupees. So I have another 10 points probability, but I wouldn't, wait for the. I don't want to wait for the rest of the day, toggling between the strikes and all that, just to capture another 10 points. So the idea would be once this reaches 22, whatever the price, whatever the profits or loss, I'm going to take it and I'm going to close it. और नीचे की तरफ ये swing breach होते ही मैं close करूंगा this swing जो नीचे है. So once that gets breached, I'll close. So that would be the idea, and yeah, that would be the final. That would be the final thing. So nothing more than that. We're already up by around 18-19 points भी गए थे हम लोग. So अगर 20 points भी पहुंचता हूँ तो मैं I'll just close it off. Even if this reaches around 40k, I'll just close it off. All right, I've come out of my position. So 40,000 जो मैंने बोला था, तीन criteria थे, right? Either the call should have either this call 7950 call should have hit 22, और ये जो मैंने line खड़ा किया था that should have been breached. It was almost about to get breached, but then there was a strong rejection, and उसके बाद 40,000 rupees. So one of my three criteria got met, and I've come out. So it's a juicy 20-point capture in less than like 50 minutes. So क्या ही चाहिए? And that's what my stand remains the same. तो अभी इस point इसमें 17500 put and 7950 call में this will decay to less than 25 for sure. 25-23 के आसपास भी मतलब और कम भी मतलब हो सकता है, that is given. But ये होने के लिए now the decay will be a lot slower. ठीक है, अभी जो decay मिलने वाला है, whatever the points that you're gonna capture, it's mostly from delta. थोड़ा आपका इधर bearish bias या bullish bias का strangle हो and market आपके direction पे जाएगा, then you'll start collecting more and not like being exactly delta neutral. क्योंकि pure theta decay अब से मतलब थोड़ा कम होगा because these options I feel that they've already reached the place where those fair value they have already gained their fair value. So that's the thing. And अभी शायद I don't think I'll be playing anymore. अगर मैं फिर भी positions लेता हूँ then it's probably mostly after 2 o'clock. If I feel that there has been an IV spike, a range break यहाँ पे मतलब कुछ range breakout होके there has been an undue expansion in either of the options, and then probably I'll try to capitalize on that. But if not, then most probably this is the end of my trading day, guys. And I hope you guys also had a decent trading day. मतलब it was pretty easy. मतलब market में इतने अच्छे premiums थे and the market didn't move anywhere, and when the implied volatility is high and when the realized volatility is low, option sellers will make a killing. So that's what happened. And yeah, I hope you guys also had a good trading day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for the expiry trading session. Bye bye.